I love fall, it's one of my favorite seasons, love the beauty of the trees, and today I'm sharing with you a diffuser blend that helps capture that beauty in an aroma. Hi, I'm Katie here from Simply Earth, and today I'm going to talk all about our new diffuser blend, Autumn Air. It's the perfect smell for autumn, and I think you're going to love it. In this video, we'll talk about what's in the blend, how to use it, and make sure you know how to use it safely. Autumn Air Essential Oil Blend is made up of lemon, orange, balsam fir, holewood, and cassia essential oils. Lemon and orange bring a little bit of citrus into this blend, which reminds me of cider. Balsam fir essential oils in this blend, and it brings a woody element. Holewood essential oil helps round out this blend. I love the way it brings all the aromas together. And cassia brings in that sweet, spicy scent that goes perfectly with fall. All of these oils together, it reminds me of a fall apple orchard. So let's talk about some ways to use Autumn Air Essential Oil Blend. I love just putting it in my diffuser to fill the house with an autumn aroma. You can also use it in DIY cleaning recipes and in skincare recipes. Like this cleansing foot soak recipe, which you can find in the blog, which is linked in the description. Let's make sure you know how to use Autumn Air Essential Oil Blend safely. It's best for people aged 10 and up. It can be a little irritating to the skin because it has cassia in it, but there's not very much in this blend, so it'll probably not be irritating to you as long as you dilute it properly. You'll want to avoid using this blend around cats and dogs. Whenever you're using an essential oil around a pet, make sure that your pet can leave the room, leave the door open so that they can leave if the aroma bothers them. Thanks for watching. For more great videos like this one and learning how to make your home toxin-free using essential oils, make sure you hit subscribe. To learn more about Autumn Air, check out the link to the blog post in the description box. You are going to love it. It smells just like fall.